we're in Ximending. Got a giant snake. We got all these people filming too. So we're gonna check out this whole Ximending area. Get closer to that snake too. Check it out, Taipei 2023. Okay. We are going to head on out of that one. People are grabbing the snake. Okay, so we're in Ximending. Just kind of walking around there. Saw that guy, there's a... Saw that guy, there's a... If you're doing YouTube, there's a giant snake over there. Did you see that snake?
Snake?
Yeah. It's huge. It's probably good for the GoPro. But it's like right there, you see it?
Maybe later. Because we buy.
Okay, so yeah, there's a giant snake over there, but we're gonna just kind of meander around, check out this whole area a little bit. There's a giant bulldog too. It's kind of cool. Kind of mesmerizing, to be honest. Let's come back again a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna step away from that one. Okay. So we're just gonna walk around. A lot of other stuff to explore. So that one was a pretty cool one. Okay. Another performance here. back, capture it from this direction. So it looks like taking a little bit of a break. Okay, let's keep on walking around, see what else we can see. Okay. The heck? Starbucks. Okay, so I think there might be another couple more musicians up here. Here's one. Okay, let's keep on walking. Okay, so we're gonna walk right by this guy. Not sure. Not sure what that's all about. I thought he was gonna balance his hands on the red blocks, but then he got ovation and climbed down. So I don't know. Try to come from the back side and see.
这10年来，真的吃了很多苦，掉了不少眼泪，受了不少伤。不过我们也谢谢这一组这些
We'll just keep walking around. If later I can see what that is all about, we can check it all out.
OK， 说了这么多，除了介绍我们自己以外，还有另外一个目的，所以前面的动作消耗非常多的体力，而这个动作对我来说非常困难。不知道能不能吃？
I don't know. I'm kind of expecting him to try to balance on that, but I thought he was going to put his hands on that and try to balance and lift himself up with all those things, but he might be just getting an audience interest as well. So I think what we're going to do, we'll just walk kind of this interesting way, and then we'll just kind of look back over there in a minute and just kind of see. Yeah, I think he is going to try to balance. Let me just see here. It looks like he's going to try. Let me just see if we can find another location to try to view from a better angle. Okay, that's a pretty good performer. And with that, we're already 11.5 minutes. And had a lot of interesting stuff happening in these little streets here. So I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna end it here. And that was another one. We got snakes, we had performers, we had that guy who did the balancing act. So what more could you ask for in that little segment there? And you got foods. Gonna another musician up here. We'll end it on that guy. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go.